How to use Stremio with Torbox. And in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can use Stremio with Torbox. So first is, of course, you'll have to download Stremio client from their official site. It's very simple. And once you've fully downloaded it, this is going to be your dashboard. Of course, you're going to need to create a free account or any type of account as long as you can log in into Stremio client. So once you've successfully logged in, just simply click this puzzle icon that's going to be indicated as add-ons. And then from here, you will not be able to manually add Torbox add-on into Stremio. So what you want to have to do is to open up your browser and then log in into your Torbox account at first. Once you've successfully logged in, you're going to need to type in or create a new tab in your current browser and type in Stremio Torbox add-on. Choose on the first link. Then once you're here, just simply choose on the orange highlighted square right here. Click on copy link and then go back into your Stremio client and click on plus sign add-on. And then paste the URL that you copied earlier and choose on add. Now, once it is successful, just simply choose on install and you should be able to use them. And that is how you use Stremio with Torbox.